Hey traders, welcome to day 10 of recording my trades for 90 days. Today I took 2 trades for a profit of $2,200 and this will be the analysis of it. Alright, so these are the trades that I took for the day and I will be walking you through why I did exactly what I did. Keep in mind that this is not real money yet. This is paper trading, as you can see over here. And you can see in the account history the trades that I took. Everything is transparent, and yeah, so let's get on to the charts. So going into today, I was bearish because when it came to Monday yesterday, it was going down as well, and in the weekly chart it was looking bearish. I'm not going to turn this on because there's like a bunch of stuff that's not going to be visible. So before this candle formed today, this is what we had. This is what we had. This is the daily chart. So on the daily chart yesterday, it was pretty clear that it was gonna go down and touch these levels. Is what I had in mind. So I was bearish for the day. And then let's go down to the 15-minute. There we go. So the trade setup that I took today is a pretty standard 2022 ICT, the mentorship model, which is price comes to the, if price is bearish, then it comes to the buy side liquidity and then take those and continue in the direction down. This exact thing happened last week for 4 days in a row, and if you go to the free Discord, you can see that I did point it out, where price would go up and come down, go up, create the fair value gap, come down. I noticed that this is a pretty consistently repeating pattern. So that is what I was aiming at today. All right. So before I start trading at 8:30, I marked out the London highs and this was the London low, and price pretty much did like a textbook move for me, at least, because I saw all these, because I saw the buy side liquidity was over here, and what I expected was price to come up and then create a fair value gap somewhere here and continue down, which is exactly what price did. So around London high, I was looking at this area, and then it did create this first fair value gap, which is where I entered off of. I didn't enter off the fair value gap because I missed this move, but I was anticipating a lower move, so I kept an eye on the higher highs and the higher lows that the market was making. And if you see, price broke out of these low, which indicated that price was gonna go low, and that's when I entered over here. Right as price broke through these levels, I was pretty confident that it would go down. On hindsight, maybe I should have waited until price came to the fair value gap, and that is the thinking behind this area. So I thought maybe price would come up all the way to this fair value gap and then continue down, which is what happened, where I entered a trade and I made an impulsive decision and I took it out. And then I took like a few seconds to think, okay, no, actually the trade is still valid, I can still take it. And initially I had my stop loss above all these highs, so I was like, okay, if it comes above this, I'll be stopped out, it's okay. But then as the position went down, I moved my stop loss, and that is why you see like a buy, sell, and a sell, a buy, and a sell. So I sold here. Price created another fair value gap, which is another ideal entry, where price actually did come up here and then started going down. And I took profit of this first position below these above these London lows. So after I took the profits on that one, the 950 macro was approaching, and then price created another fair value gap over here, and that's the reason I entered the next position. I put the stop loss above, I think it was originally around here, and I was pretty confident on this one because first there was a fair value gap, it was a macro, and price was already showing me that it was going to go down. Like after this move, I mean, it's pretty obvious that price was not going to come up today. So I entered a trade. I entered the short over there with 4 contracts, and then the take profit was here because when I zoomed out, these were the levels that I was looking at, but I didn't want to ask too much of price, even though price like basically did almost come here, but I didn't want to ask too much of price, and I took, where was my take profit? So it was here. Let's see what the level was. See, like it was way above all these lows and this high as well. So I was pretty confident that this was a pretty realistic take profit area. Yeah, so those are the trades taken, and everything is posted for free on the Discord. So I'd highly recommend that you join the Discord. It's free. There is nothing, you don't have to pay a single dollar. So in my journal entry, I noted down that going into the day I was bearish, and based on the higher time frame, as you can see, this is it. I took the trade, and this is pretty much like a summary of what I just went through with you guys. So yeah, those are the trades that I took for the day. It was plus 2200, and everything was called out on the Discord, by the way, under Rushen's trade. Everything is posted for free because I'm an actual trader, unlike these gurus trying to sell you a course. So yeah, thanks for watching. Join the Discord to see my progress. I'll be trading pretty much every day at 8:30 consistently, and I hope to see you guys there. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.